John Thompson's son. All right, have been John Thompson's son for 38 years, and I'm pretty comfortable being John Thompson's son. And it's, obviously here at Georgetown, it's actually going to be something that probably a lot of you guys and a lot of people out in the world think about a lot more. But, the pressures that come along with that, well, no one's going to put more pressure on me than myself. We're in the middle of the year, and in the middle of the season is not the time to start doing evaluation reports and seeing if you're pleased. I am not unpleased, and things have gone okay. But at the same time, we'll pick our heads up in a couple of weeks. We'll see where things stand and figure out how we feel. I want to get better. I want to be better next week than we are this week. And I've been pretty consistent with that, and that's what I've said to these guys. And if we improve, if we all continue to grow, if we all continue to work hard, if we all continue to get better, that's what I want.